Hello everyone, welcome to Study Logics. So finally we have received a notice regarding ICMR assistant exam which was held on 3rd of this month. So here you can see, so I'm giving the notice PDF in the description. You can download it from there. Okay, so let's check the notice once. So what is mentioned in the notice. So you can see here on the screen. So see here on the screen, so they have released a notice regarding the assistant exam. So today only this notice has been released. So correction or clarification in the answers of ICMR assistant recruitment exam which was held on 3rd of January 2021. Okay, a few representations or objections were received from the candidates. Okay, they have received, already I've told you, if anyone give the representations, they may release a notice before the final result. Finally, they have received some representations by the candidates and they have released this notice. So you can see here, after receiving objections or doubts received from the candidate concerned, it has been observed or found by the competent authority of the institute that 3 questions had incorrect options. Details of these questions were given in the table, you can see here. So these are the 3 questions where the options were wrong. So you can see here, so questions are, these are the questions for which you will get the 3 bonus marks. Okay, so another 3 questions are this. For this they have given the reason that the options were correct and the answers were correct. Okay, so these are the 3 questions. First question is price increase 20%, how much quantity should be reduced to maintain same expenditure. So this was a question. So for this you will get the bonus mark, 1 mark. And the other question is 512 participants, each round half of the number are eliminated, how many rounds required to select the winner. Okay, here the option was wrong, so you will get the question bonus 1 mark because the answer was 9. Okay, and identify the freedom fighter from the images. So image question, 1 image question. For this you will get the bonus mark. So for these 3 questions you will get the bonus marks. The other 3 questions for which they have received many objections, but they are treating this as correct questions. Okay, you can see 4, 5, 6 are the correct questions. For other 3 questions for which many candidates has been raised objections, they are telling that the options were correct, so they are not giving the bonus marks for these. Only first 3 questions you will get the bonus 3 marks. Okay, see you can see here. Accordingly, 3 bonus marks shall be given to all the candidates appeared in the ICMR assistant exam. No correspondence will be entertained after declaration of final results. So if you remember any other questions, you can raise objections as of now, because after declaring the final results they may not change the result. Okay, so if you have any queries you can mail them. Okay, I'll give you the mail ID in the description, so you can raise any objections if you remember any questions. Okay, so this is the video regarding the notice. By this we know that they have started the process to declare the final results. If you have any objections you can mail to them. I am giving you the mail ID in the description. Okay, so they may release the result within 2 to 3 days, so let's wait for the official news. Okay, so this is the video regarding ICMR assistant exam. So let's hope for the best. If any update will come, I'll update you in the channel. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching.